So I have about 2 hours to get ready to go to an audition. It's a commercial audition and they want fresh, clean looking makeup. Okay, so first things first, I always use alcohol on my hands before I start putting on skincare and or makeup. You really want to disinfect your hands because your hands have germs on them and you don't want to be putting all those germs on your face. So it's important to, especially after you've touched your hair and things like that. So first, I'm going in with my Revolution Skincare London Niacinamide Spray. Now I'm going to go in with my vitamin C from Mad Hippie. Vitamin C works better when it's mixed with your SPF. So I like to wear it during the day. I never used to wear vitamin C during the day because it is a brightening serum. But I found out that it works better in conjunction with your SPF. For eye cream, I'm using the I Do All Things by Bliss. This is a really, really nice formula. It's super light and it is gel. For cream, I'm using the Better Days Ahead, and this is by Pharmacy. So I like to put a little dollop on my hand, spread it, and then just pat it into my face. For SPF, I'm going to use the Super Goop Face Spray. This is 50 SPF. If you're going to be in water, this lasts for 40 minutes, but you can apply it 2 to 3 times a day. I'm also spraying it on my shoulders because they are going to be exposed. For my face, I'm not going to start with foundation. I'm going to start with my concealer. I'm using my Well People in the color medium. I just place it right underneath my eyes with my fingers. I work it down to my cheeks, the center of my forehead, and then whatever's left, I'll put it on my eyelids and on the brow bone and my temples. And this way I don't have to use as much foundation. And I'm using the IT CC Cosmetics, what the fuck? Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum, SPF 50. It's got everything that I need. I used half a pump and this is definitely enough. Now I'm gonna go in with my fingers and I'm just gonna dot it on my face to where I want to have the most coverage, because I don't need too much coverage on my forehead, and you can see like my forehead is so much darker than the rest of my face. I just put it where I actually really do need it, and then I start working it in with my beauty blender. When I go to auditions and I see girls wearing a lot of makeup and it's for like a very natural sort of brand or commercial or Colgate, whatever it is, I just think like, I love using soap in my brows. It's something that I've been doing for a few years now, but especially when I go to an audition, I like using the soap in my brows because it really helps lift my face, lift my eyebrows. It helps them to look a little bit bushier and more. This is this is an aloe vera soap from Whole Foods. It's a natural, it's just basically glycerin. And I use my beauty spray. I spray the soap. I have my clean spoolie, and then I just go in and I really work it into, I don't know why I'm not in the middle of the frame, but hey, this is something different, I don't know. And then I really work it into the brow, so I'm gonna go in different directions, just brush it in, just make sure it's like in every single hair. Then I start brushing up once I know the hairs are fully coated with the soap. Now I'm just gonna fill them in really sparsely, not full. I'm not gonna draw them in, I'm just gonna flick the pen through. And look how amazing that looks. It looks so much better. Like, look at that and look at that. I used minimal amount of product. I didn't have to spend even 5 minutes on the brow, so that's really nice. So this is what they look like. Now they just look bushy and fuller and thicker and just natural still, because I can't stand drawn in brows. For my cheeks, I'm using Cheeky Lips by the Organic Skin Co. This is an Australian brand, and they sent me a few of their products, and I really love their cheek blush. Well, actually it's for your lips, but I use it as a blush because it's a multi-purpose product. It's a cream product. I'm going to be using Pixi by Petra. This is their 5th edition face kit. This is a really nice kit. It's really big and pretty. Did I just dig my nail into that? Oh my god, I did. Ugh. So this has shimmer shades on this side, face on this side, so you have some contour, highlighting, blush, And then you have your matte powders on this side. I'm gonna go in with this pink shade here. I'm using the Luxie 205 blending brush, and I'm just gonna go in with one of the browner shades. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Actually, no, this one. I'm gonna go into the same palette, and I'm gonna go into this bronzing color, and I'm just gonna bronze my cheeks just a little bit. Now I've got all my tools for my lashes. I have my lashes, lash glue, tweezers. So all it takes is a tiny bit of glue for these. Like, you don't need too much glue at all. I let it dry slightly, that when I stick it on, it stays on. Just like so. All right, lashes are on. This is what they look like. Natural. I'm gonna move on to my lips, and I'm using 3 lip products. I'm going in with my ColourPop liner in Chi. This is like my perfect shade of liner if I want to contour my lips naturally. So what I like to do is, since my lips are not small but they're not huge, I like to give the illusion that they're a tiny bit bigger. Then I'm going in with this beautiful lipstick. It's my favorite lipstick of all time. It's called Omshe, it's O-M-S-H-E, and this is by an Australian brand, I think. It's in the color Joy, which is kind of like a bit peachy, orangey, but it just goes so well with this lip liner. Clear gloss, this is from Kopari. Oh god, that's a lot. How the heck did that just happen? Okay, just a little bit. And mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna use the X Lash mascara. Now I'm gonna do my hair. So this is what I look like. My makeup is done, my skincare is underneath all of this, and yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. Turn on the post notifications so that you guys are notified every single time I upload. And please give this video a thumbs up as well, because it really, really helps my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very soon. Bye.